ladies and gentlemen, now we are going to start 62nd session. How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
Fine. I have 10 short questions for you. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
The first one sentence about Bangladesh.
I love Bangladesh and I will love forever.
Very good. One sentence about your father.
My father is my superhero, my role model.
One sentence about your mother.
My mother is my heart.
Very good. One sentence about your best friend.
Well, she is very fast and hardworking person.
Excellent. Drama or movie?
Obviously movie, because it provides me complete messages such as like history, love and so on.
Laptop or PC?
Obviously laptop, because it is easy to carry and easy to use.
Mobile or TV?
Definitely mobile phone, because it is meets demand of TV, internet, PC and so on.
Fast food or homemade food?
It must be homemade food, because it is safe and hygienic and delicious.
Okay. Academic books or storybooks?
Definitely storybooks, because it makes me happy and makes me happy with entertainment and fun.
Father or mother?
It's very difficult question for me. I think both.
Thank you. Thank you very much. And that's all for today. Goodbye.